To set focus assets as priority only in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop and then select Personalize. Next, tap or click System. Click or tap for Focus Assist, and then on Focus Assist, select Priority Only. See only selected notifications from the priority list. To start focus set just with notifications you would like to see and hear. The rest will go straight to notification center where you can see them anytime. Select priority to set as focus assets as priority only. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.